The primary way to turn on the radio in your 2014-2017 Lexus NX200t is by pressing the radio or power button located on the head unit. You can also use the steering wheel controls for quick access. Pressing the button once activates the entire audio system, including radio, CD, aux, and Bluetooth functions. To turn it off, press the same button again or select the off option within the system's menu on the touchscreen. Volume adjustment is straightforward. Use the physical rotary knob located on the center console to increase or decrease the volume. Alternatively, you can use the plus/minus buttons found on the steering wheel for incremental volume adjustments. The system is designed to remember your preferred volume settings even after you turn off the ignition, providing a consistent user experience. The NX200t's audio system incorporates a 7-inch resistive touchscreen display, physical buttons on the steering wheel, and the volume power knob on the center console. The 7-inch resistive touchscreen provides visual feedback and control options. Physical buttons on the steering wheel allow hands-free operation. The volume power knob on the center console offers direct tactile control. These components work together seamlessly, allowing for easy access and control while driving. The system is designed for tactile feedback, minimizing distractions while maximizing usability. One common issue reported by NX200t owners is a stuck power button, often due to moisture or wear. If the power button becomes unresponsive, consider disassembling the head unit and carefully cleaning the contacts. If you're looking to modernize your NX200t's audio controls, consider installing an aftermarket head unit. Many owners have successfully integrated units from brands like Alpine, Pioneer, or Kenwood, which enable remote on-off functionality via a smartphone app. This upgrade improves reliability and provides enhanced control options compared to the stock system. Keep in mind warranties when upgrading. Unofficial firmware modifications allow customization of audio controls through OBD2 interfaces. These mods can remap buttons, enable smartphone integration, and fix unresponsive power buttons. These mods are found on forums like Lexus Enthusiast Forums and Reddit's r/Lexus. However, they carry risks of voiding warranties or causing electrical faults. Proceed with caution and use trusted sources only. The NX200t's original infotainment system doesn't support Apple CarPlay or Android Auto natively. To add these modern features, retrofit with third-party adapters that cost between $200 and $500. These adapters bypass the original radio's limitations, enabling wireless smartphone connection. You can control the radio, play music, make calls, and navigate using your phone's apps directly on the car's display. Installation typically requires professional help to ensure compatibility and avoid electrical issues. The result is seamless integration with voice commands, real-time traffic updates, and messaging features that enhance your driving experience. Experts strongly recommend professional installation for any modifications to prevent damage to your NX200t's electrical systems. While the stock audio system is stable and reliable, future-proofing requires considering vehicle personalization trends and integration with modern technologies. As technology advances, retrofitting older systems can significantly extend their usability and value, keeping your vehicle current and functional.